Let us see some example for aromatic and non-aromatic and anti-aromatic compounds. First one, this one is chlorobenzene. Let us find out whether it is aromatic or non-aromatic. This one is cyclic ring. Then there is a conjugation. There is a sigma double bond, sigma bond, double bond, sigma bond, double bond, sigma bond. There is a conjugation. The compound is planar. Then number of pi electrons. See here, how many pi electrons are there? 2, 4, 6. 6 pi electrons. That means what? 6 electrons. According to Huckel's rule, if there is a presence of 6 pi electrons, then it is the compound is aromatic. So all the rules are followed. That's why it's aromatic. Then this compound, let us take this compound. Here, first the compound is cyclic in nature. Conjugation, sigma bond, double bond, sigma bond, plus positive charge is also included. Then sigma bond, double bond. There is a conjugation. If there is a presence of positive charge, that means p orbital is vacant. That is also included in delocalization. That is then conjugated double bond is present. The compound is planar. How many pi electrons are present? 2 plus 2, 4. 4 pi electrons are present means it is anti-aromatic. That is the second one. 4n pi electrons are present, even though it followed the first 3 rules, but it is the fourth rule. This compound doesn't follow. That's why it is anti-aromatic. Then let us see this compound. This compound is cyclic. Then conjugated, sigma bond, double bond, sigma bond, double bond. Conjugation is present. It is planar also. How many pi electrons are present? 2 plus 2, 5. 2 plus 2, 5 electrons. So 4 means anti-aromatic. It is similar to this compound. All the 3 rules are followed, but the fourth rule is not followed. Then what about this compound? Let us see. First, the compound is cyclic. Then conjugation. Here, what type of conjugation? Sigma bond, pi bond, sigma bond. Then positive charge. Again, sigma bond, positive charge, sigma bond. The positive charge is also included. That's why the conjugation is present. This compound is planar. How many pi electrons are present? Only 2 pi electrons are present. 2 pi electrons present means that is aromatic. In aromatic, you know that in 4n plus 2 rule, n equal to 0 means 2 pi electron, then it is aromatic. Vacant p orbital means the compound is more delocalized. Let us see some other examples also. Then what about this compound? This compound is cyclic. You know that. Non-conjugation. There is no conjugation at all. It is a double bond. Here single bond. Again single bond. A positive charge, single bond. Here there is 2 single bonds are present. That's why there is no conjugation. It is non-aromatic compound. See, second rule itself it's not followed. That means non-aromatic. Here, what about this compound? Cyclic in nature. Then presence of sigma bond, pi bond, sigma bond. Then negative charge. Then sigma bond, negative charge. Conjugation is present. Planar. Number of pi electron. This negative charge means 2 pi electrons are present in p orbital. That is also included in delocalization. So 4n plus 2 rule. How many electrons are present? 2. Here pi electron 2, these 2 lone pair of electron, totally 6 electrons are present, 6 pi electrons are present. The compound is aromatic. Then this one is cyclic in nature. Then conjugation, sigma bond, pi bond, sigma bond. 2 sigma bonds are present. That's why it is non-conjugated, non-aromatic. What about this compound? This compound is cyclic. Then sigma bond, pi bond, sigma bond, positive charge is present. Then there is that means conjugation present. Delocalization is present here. Then it is planar also. And the compound is automatic. And the number of pi electrons, 2 pi electrons are present. If 2 pi electrons are present, then the compound is aromatic. What about this compound? This compound here, cyclic, conjugated, sigma bond, pi bond, sigma bond, then negative charge, conjugated. That means this electron is also involved in the delocalization. Planar. How many pi electrons are present? Here 2 pi electron, here 2 pi electron. 4 electron. 4 electrons are present means the compound is anti-aromatic. Then what about this compound? Let us see. Cyclic in nature, say here conjugation. Let us see. Sigma bond, pi bond, sigma bond, sigma bond. 2 sigma bonds are present continuously. That's why it is non-conjugation. Non-conjugated means non-aromatic compound. I hope you understand this concept clearly. Thanks for watching.